Alaska is quiet in a way that changes you. It's a kind of silence that hums deep, alive, ancient. Here, stillness isn't emptiness, it's presence. And beneath that stillness moves the salmons whooming against the current, teaching us how to return home. This is the season of Vata, air, and ether, cold, dry, light. The body mirrors the landscape, breath turns to mist, skin cracks, thoughts scatter. Ayurveda teaches us that to survive the cold, we must become the warmth through food, ritual, and rest. Winter asks for oil, for richness, for grounded strength. Ghee, sesame, and hearty soups protect the body from wind and worry. Omega-rich foods like salmon bring the warmth of inner fire without the burn of overdoing. This is nourishment that whispers, not shouts. Today's recipe is a cedar-smoked salmon stew, a nod to the coastal kitchens that taught me simplicity as strength. First, we'll heat some ghee or olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, garlic, carrot, and celery, and let them soften. This is the foundation of our warmth. Now add the pan-seared salmon, letting it gently flake into the vegetables. Pour in your coconut milk and broth, along with fresh ginger and thyme. Let it simmer, just until everything is warmed through. The kitchen will start to smell like a cozy cabin. Right at the end, a squeeze of lemon juice. It's like the breath after a storm, bright and clear. Serve it hot, preferably by a window full of snow. For the Alaska Native peoples in Inupiat, Yupik Tlingit salmon isn't just food. It's a covenant, promise renewed with every return of forever. Their traditions remind us, take only what's needed, give back what you can, and never forget the gift in your hands. In Alaska, stillness taught me that warmth isn't always loud. It lives in quiet dinners, in shared silence, in the slow rhythm of breath. The salmon reminded me, sometimes healing means returning, even when the current is strong. This was Alaska, where salmon meets stillness. Next, we travel south to Hawaii, where rain and coconut teach us how softness can be strength. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this story resonated with you, please consider subscribing for more recipes and reflections. Until then, bend, root, and breathe.